Hello everyone, my name is Anuj Singh Kashyap and I am web developer intern at the Spark Foundation GRIP program June 2021. Here is my first task, basic banking system and used technologies are. Let's go to backend to see my code. Here are my three folders: CSS, image, SQL and all our PHP files. You can see my codes here. Let's check. And here is my database connection file. First one is for local host and second one is for remote host. Now let's go to website. Here is my website. There is navigation button and three sections: view user, balance transfer and history. First of all, see view user. Here you can see all users who are available in my database with everyone name and email and data balance. And now let's check to balance transfer. Transaction to Tushar Prajapati. Rajinder Singh. By the way, background picture is changeable. You can change by refreshing the page or reload the page and background picture will change. My network is slow. Clicked on transact and localhost says transaction successful. Click on OK. And here is the transfer history. Sender name, receiver name, amount and date and time. You can check in the history section from navigation bar. Let's go to home page. And there is other module contact. There is my GitHub, Twitter and LinkedIn profile. You can connect with this. And there is my about me section. There is my name and about me. That's it. Here's my website.